Hey there, watch enthusiasts, and welcome back to JNXE Watch. Today we have an intriguing watch on our hands, the Pagani Design PD 1728, which happens to be a homage to the iconic Patek Philippe Nautilus. This watch has been generating quite a buzz for its stunning aesthetics and budget-friendly price tag. So let's dive into this review to see how it stacks up. First off, let's talk about the exterior design of the Pagani Design PD 1728 with the rounded octagonal shape of its bezel. As you can see, this watch is an absolute stunner. It boasts a sleek, stainless 316L grade steel case with a diameter of 42 mm, thickness of 13.4 ma and 133 grams of weight, making it a versatile choice for a variety of wrist sizes. The brushed and polished finishes give it a premium feel that belies its price point. Moving on to the display, we have a beautiful sunburst dial that adds a touch of elegance to the watch. The applied hour markers and hands are generously coated with superluminova, ensuring excellent legibility in low light conditions. Now, one of the most exciting aspects of this watch is its automatic movement. The PD 1728 is equipped with a reliable automatic movement, which sets it apart in this price range. This means it doesn't require a battery. It's powered by the movement of your wrist. Watch enthusiasts will appreciate the craftsmanship that goes into an automatic movement. When it comes to build quality, Pagani Design impresses once again. The watch feels solid and well crafted. The sapphire crystal on the front is scratch resistant, ensuring your watch remains looking pristine for years to come. The stainless 316L grade steel, the integrated Nautilus bracelet, features a single brushed link band. The H-shaped links are attached, however, by a single horizontal and rounded rectangular polished connector. The bracelet tapers and all links have polished beveled edges. Is comfortable to wear and features a folding secure clasp. For those who like to take their watches on adventures, the PD 1728 offers a respectable 100 meters of water resistance. While it's not a diving watch, it can handle splashes, swimming, and even some light snorkeling. Comfort is essential, and I have to say, the PD 1728 feels great on the wrist. The case is relatively slim, which means it can easily slip under a shirt cuff, making it a versatile choice for both casual and formal occasions. So in conclusion, the Pagani Design PD 1728 is a fantastic watch that offers an incredible value proposition. It combines a stylish design, reliable automatic movement, and solid build quality, all at a very affordable price of under $200. Whether you're a seasoned watch collector or just starting your horological journey, this watch is definitely worth considering. That wraps up our review of the Pagani Design PD 1728. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more watch reviews and horological content. As always, if you have any questions or own this watch yourself, share your thoughts in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.